Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to fix a problem where your phone's hotspot name doesn't show up in the Wi-Fi list on your computer. Like I have the same problem here, and this makes me crazy a little bit. So I found a solution and that worked for me. I hope it will work for you. If that worked, don't forget to tell me in the comment that worked for you. On your computer, open Device Manager by typing in the search bar Device Manager. Once you are in Device Manager, find Network Adapter and click on it. Now look for your wireless LAN card and just by right click on it, select Properties. Then go to Advanced tab. Under Properties here, find Count Regions and change here the value from 0 to 1, so 1 to 13 channel, then click OK. Now, let's move to the phone. Now, in your phone, go to your hotspot setting, change first of all the name, okay, another name, and change the AP band from 5 GHz to 2.4 GHz, okay? And just click Save, like this. After you've done this step, you should be able to see the hotspot on your Wi-Fi list. Like you see, I have my hotspot name on the list here. That's all for today. If this video helped you, please like, share, and also subscribe for more tech tips.